Oh my god, I'm super excited today and with good reason. I've got the new Google Pixel 3 XL in my hands. Let's unbox it. There it is, my friends. The new Google Pixel 3 XL. We'll take a look at the phone in a bit, but let's just take a look at what's inside the box first. And you have the pin to get the phone opened up. Okay, so this is the headphone setup. It's got a USB-C to connect to the phone. These buds look really nice and comfortable. I can't wait to try them, and which we will. Charging cable for your smartphone and a charging adapter. Pretty nifty. Let's just keep them all here. Google has always been really good at offering brilliant battery life, and I think with its new Pixel 3 XL that should continue. This is the charging unit. Pretty compact as compared to what you get in the market today and what's on offer as far as other Android flagship smartphones are concerned. So I'm pretty happy with this cute looking chubby little charging unit. Let's set it aside here and let's make some space for the smartphone now. Love that sound of a new smartphone unwrapping. Okay, before I turn it on, let's just take a look at the design. So this bit on the top, which is reflective, is very grippy, while this other 80% bit of the phone is very slippery, as you can see. Now let's look at the ports that are available on the smartphone. There's the USB-C charging port and used for data transfers. This is the SIM card slot right here at the bottom of the phone. One of the best bits I love about Google Pixel devices is that it puts the stereo speakers right up front on the screen, which means when you game or when you watch Full HD movies on your Pixel device, it's a thoroughly engaging device. As you flip to the back, you'll find the lone tour de force of Pixel devices. It's single camera. Now the single unit still has a 12 MP sensor. I know for a fact that this is going to destroy pretty much every single smartphone out there that's available in the market now, and that will be launched probably in the next 6 to 8 months. Alright then, I think it's about time we turn the device on. Interesting bit, it's got touch squeeze sensors on the side of the device. So essentially, apart from the fingerprint scanner that I won't register right now, you can even touch the sides of the device to squeeze it like that. There you have it, folks. That's Android Pie, Google Android OS 9 for the taking, and it looks very slick. You can swipe from the bottom to get to your home screen, very similar to what you see on the XS Max. A couple of things that I really wished weren't there on the Pixel 3 XL were the chin at the bottom, the big fat chin, and also the notch. Now what Google has done is it's reduced the width of the notch, but then it goes much more deeper into the screen, as you can see, and that might be a good thing or a bad thing. Now I'll get to know it only once I use it, which I will very soon. Now we'll get you a full review of the new Google Pixel 3 XL in the very next video. But for that, you know what to do, right? Subscribe to Mashable India.